Hi everyone and welcome to a new video on the CBI channel. In this Django for Beginners tutorial series, we're creating a blog-style web application with Python Django. And this is not the first video in this series. We've already done many before in which we've covered various topics. So please subscribe and check out the playlist for all of the other videos. Now, so far we have ended up with this result where we have different blog posts on different pages and the possibility for users to sign up and log in and create, edit and delete different posts. Now, in this video, we're going to continue and we're going to focus on logging out of users. To do that, we'll follow 5 steps. First, we're going to be creating a URL, a template and a view for logging out. Then we will create the link in our navigation menu so that users can visit the logout page that asks them, are you sure that you really want to log out? If the user clicks on confirm, we'll make sure that the user is logged out when clicking on the link, and that should make sure that they're no longer signed in of the application. Then as the last few steps, I'm going to show you how you can change the URL where the user is redirected to after he clicks on logging out. And as a final step, we'll test if everything works as expected. And we're now in our code. And the first thing that we're going to do is create a new template for logout. Because what we want to create is make sure that when users click logout on our navigation menu, they first go to a page that asks them if they are sure that they want to really log out. So we're going to go to the templates for the users, and I'm going to copy over the template of sign up. And we're going to rename this to the logout confirm.html. Now, the reason that I'm calling this logout confirm is that Django by default already has a template called logout.html, which we will be using later to automatically log out the user. So that's why the naming is a little bit different. So the things that we will change here is we're going to get rid of the form because we don't need that right now. And in the title, we're going to change the text from sign up to our blog to logout of our blog. And then on the bottom, we are adding a p tag and we are going to ask the question, are you sure that you want to log out of your account? And let's save that. And later on below this, we will add a button that allows them to confirm that they really want to log out. So the next thing that we will need is a view. So we're going to go to the views.py file, and in there we create a new function called logout confirm, and we'll put in request. And the only thing that we want to return here is the actual template. So we are taking the logout confirm.html and attach it to this view. For the rest, we are not going to do any specific things in here because we can use a lot of the stuff that Django has out of the box to confirm that we really want to log out. The last thing we need is a URL. So we're going to copy over the sign up URL that we already have created in the previous video. And we are going to call this path the confirm/logout. And the view that is going to be attached to this is the logout confirm. And also this name, we're going to call it logout confirm. And let's save this. So let's now open a new terminal and start our server and check out the result. So we first activate our virtual environment with venv/scripts/activate. And then we do python manage.py run server. And now we are here and we can log in, and we'll do that with user 1. So you notice that we have this logout button right here, but it doesn't actually go anywhere at the moment. So let's now connect that so that we can go to the logout page. So to change that, we need to go to the post folder and then to the templates and then to the base.html, because in here we have a link for the logout. And you notice that we have that right here. So in the actual link part, we are going to make sure that we have the parentheses and 2 times the percentage sign. And we're going to go to the URL. That is the logout confirm. And of course, we also are evaluating whether it's the active link or not. And we do that with the path. And the path in this case is /users/confirm/logout. And let's save that. And if I now refresh this page and I click on logout, we actually get to this logout confirmation page where it asks us, are we sure that we want to log out of your account? Now we're going to slightly change this because we can make it a little bit more personalized, of course. We can go to the logout confirm and we can start this with hi and then 2 times the parentheses like this. And then we say user.username, and then we do a comma. And now we can also see the user that is attached to it. So this is step 2 complete because we now have this confirmation page that asks the user if they really want to log out. So now we need to add a button on the bottom of this that is going to make sure that the user is actually logged out when the confirmation button is clicked. So we're going to go back to our code and we're actually going to borrow a little bit of the button that we have for the login.html file. So in here we have a button that is there for login, and we're going to put that on the bottom of the logout confirm. So below the p tag, we're going to put the button and then we say logout. And now when we get back, we have this logout button right here. But currently it doesn't really do anything. So how do we make sure that we can leverage Django's automatical logout functionality when clicking this button? Well, the first thing that we can do is go to our urls.py file. Because previously we've seen for the login that Django has a default view that takes care of all of the functionality for logging in a user. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing, but then for log out. So below the login path, we're going to add a new path in here, and that's going to be called users/logout. And we are going to attach a default view from Django to this. And that is going to be exactly the same as this one. However, it's not going to be with the login view, but it's going to be with the logout view. Now, we also need to attach a template to this, similarly as we have right here. So we can copy that over from the login view. And the template we will be utilizing is the logout.html. And this is the reserved name that I was talking about, why the logout confirm is the name of the one that we have created. Now, the funny thing here is that we're not actually going to be seeing this template because what will happen is we click the button, Django is logging out the user and then redirecting them to a new page. So we're actually not going to see this page when we click it, but you'll see that later on. Now, the last thing we also need to add is a name, and that name is going to be equal to logout. And let's save this. So now we have this path, which is automatically going to trigger the action of logging out the user with the logout view. But we need to make sure that that action is actually triggered from the page that we have just created. So there we will make our final change. Now, to do that, we need to wrap this button inside of a form tag. So let's place this button in there. And we also want to add the CSRF token in here. So we do 2 times the percentage sign and then CSRF token. And this form is going to have an action. And that action is going to be equal to 2 times these parentheses, some squirrely brackets in here, and then the URL of logout. And the method in here is going to be post. Now, what will happen is that logout is the actual name of the URL that we have just created here. So that will trigger this logout view and it will log out the user. So let's check right now what happens when we actually go to this page and we confirm that we want to log out. So we're now back in this logout screen and just refreshing the page. And if I now click logout, we actually get the issue that our logout.html file does not exist. Now, the reason that this doesn't work is actually due to the way that the logout view is working. Because at a certain moment in time, whenever we have logged out, it is going to look for the users.logout.html template. But in our application, we don't really have that. And that means that we get an error. Now, the way to easily solve this is to tell our settings where we need to go after the logout has been completed. So if we make a small change to our settings, everything will work fine. So we're going to go to our settings.py file. You notice that we have this login redirect URL. So whenever an error is encountered or someone is on a page where he should not be, he's automatically redirected to the home page. Now we're going to add in exactly the same thing for the logout redirect URL. because whenever we have logged out, we want the user to go to the home page. So let's now save this and try again when logging out with the user. So we're signed in as user one and we're now going to go to the logout page. And it asks us, hi user one, are we sure that we want to log out? So we now click logout and you notice that it immediately brings us back to the home.html page. And also the links have changed on the top, which is an indication that we are now successfully logged out of our application. And that is actually all for this video. In this video, I showed you how we can log out of our Django application. In the next video, we're going to continue and we're going to focus on creating a profile page so that we can let the user enter some information or change their username. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.